Today we are making kimchi, but not the usual fermented kind. This is gochujang, a fresh kimchi made with bomdong, a seasonal cabbage you can only find in spring. The seasoning we are using today is a very versatile. You can apply it to many different vegetables. And we also made crispy bomdong fritters. This is bomdong, a young cabbage harvested in early spring. It's only available for a short season. Every year when I see bomdong at the market, I feel like spring has finally arrived. This isn't regular kimchi, it's gochujang. Unlike fermented kimchi, gochujang is eaten fresh right after seasoning. If you're watching from abroad and want to try making it, gochujang might actually be better for you. You can make a small portion and eat it right away, without waiting for fermentation. It looks very red, right? Yes, Korean chili flakes can be spicy, but in many dishes, the goal isn't just the heat. It's more about the color and the aroma that make the food look and smell appetizing. In Korea, dishes like namu and gochujang are usually mixed by hand. Somehow, it just tastes better that way. I don't know if that can be scientifically proven, but most Koreans would agree. And when it comes to frying, we have another saying. There is a joke in Korea that goes, even a shoe tastes good if you fry it. When Korean pancake mix or frying mix meets hot oil, almost any vegetable becomes delicious. It turns crispy on the outside, softy on the inside. And suddenly, even the simplest ingredient feels special. The fritters are done. You can enjoy the bomdong gochujang on its own, but today we are going to eat it in a way that's been quite popular in Korea lately, as bibimbap. Let me explain something about bibimbap. The version many people abroad know is the beautifully arranged restaurant style. That's definitely bibimbap, but it's the polished version. At home, bibimbap is usually much simpler. It's often made with whatever side dishes are left in the fridge, mixed with gochujang, sesame oil, and usually a fried egg on top. That's how we are going to enjoy our bomdong gochujang today. And of course, the egg is optional. You can leave it out if you prefer. First, I want you to hear the sound of this fritter. It turned out really crispy. Let's listen. Bomdong has a little less moisture than regular napa cabbage, so maybe that's why it came out extra crispy. If you can't find bomdong where you live, you can try frying regular cabbage instead. It's surprisingly delicious too. When I was younger, I didn't really care for food like this. Simple vegetables, lightly seasoned dishes, they didn't seem very exciting. But these days, I find myself enjoying them more and more. Maybe it's the texture, maybe it's the balance of flavors, or maybe it just means I'm getting older. It's funny how your taste changes over time. When you fill a container with fresh kimchi, it feels strangely satisfying. Anyone who cooks at home will understand this. When the fridge is full of homemade food, you somehow feel rich.